It's a Yamaha Rhino 450. This how you change the battery and its location. So first of all, it's got these things right here that come down here, like so. So you pull that off, get it off both sides. The other side's got one as well. And as soon as you got both sides up, you pull it up. Then your battery's gonna be right here on the left-hand side. I've already undone mine. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna unbolt these. So you've got they go right here on these posts. So you got your positive and your negative. So you remove those, back them out, and it's got a little strap that goes from here, from kind of the plasticky part. Just take that off, and then you can pull this right out. So I'm going to do that real fast, and then I'll put the new one in. So I grabbed both these. It was kind of stuck in there a little bit, so I had to shake it a little bit. Just moved just teeny tiny bit, and then it just pulls. Oh, just dropped it back in. And then you can just take it out, leaving your empty spot. And then I'm gonna grab my new one and then just put it right back in the box. My new battery, pull the terminal caps off, and then I'm just gonna slide it right back down into there. Now it's in there. You can see that this has a little bit of corrosion going on it. So I'm gonna clean that up real quick. Check the other one, make sure it's good. Now we've got it all tightened down. Let's see if it starts up. There we go, just like that.